Download Call of Duty Warzone on your PC for free? Watch this carefully because one wrong download can mess up the entire install. In this video, I'll show you the fastest and safest way to install Warzone step by step, without confusion or install errors. Even if this is your first time installing a PC game, just follow along. I'll make everything simple. First, open your web browser and search for Call of Duty. Click the official website at callofduty.com. This step is important because fake download links are everywhere. Once you're on the website, hover over Games and select Warzone. Now here's the part most beginners get wrong. Choose Battle.net as your platform, not Steam, not Epic Games. Battle.net is the official launcher, and skipping this can cause installation problems later. Now click the download button and wait for the Battle.net setup file to download onto your computer. Once the file finishes downloading, open File Explorer, go to your Downloads folder and double-click the Battle.net setup file. This will begin the installation. Here's where most people get stuck. Create a new Battle.net account by entering your details, or simply sign in if you already have one. And make sure you don't lose your login information. Write it down somewhere safe. After logging into the Battle, go to Games, select Call of Duty Warzone, then click Play for free. Choose where you want the game installed and click Start Install. This download can take a while depending on your internet speed, so be patient and don't interrupt the installation. If this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more quick PC tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.